Yo, big up to all of the family and all of the friends. You know, say it's Impress Marcy again. Just watch the video straight to the end. Sing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Empress Marcy here with another video, and today's video is hosted by the one and only Glamour Ellen, and I just want to say a big happy birthday to you, Glamour Ellen, and I hope you have a fantastic 45th birthday. And this video is in celebration of Ellen's birthday, and what she wants us to do is a glam Dollar Tree tablescape. Everything on the table don't have to be from Dollar Tree, but you must have items from Dollar Tree on your tablescape. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, starting off with a nice clean table. I saw this piece of material in Walmart and it blends in so nice with my dining room curtain, so I decided to purchase it, and I paid $2.49 for this piece of material. And also I am going with a silver theme, so I am gonna use this silver ribbon that I bought in the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna make a nice little bow at both ends of this runner. All right. So guys, basically my Dollar Tree items are my plates, my wine glasses, my water glasses, and my chargers. Those are all from the Dollar Tree, and those silver ribbons are also from the Dollar Tree. And this tray that I'm using is from Michael's, and I am going in with my vase that I already had in my home, and I'm trying to get like a teal and silver look. Some of the items are not some of the colors may not be teal, but it blends in well. And I am going in with these candle stand that I also got at Michael's. These silver candles are from Michael's as well. I think they were $2, but guess what guys, they were too large, so I had to shave the bottom so that they fit in the candle stand. Yeah, they couldn't fit in the candle stand, so I had to shave them down a little. Now I am going in with these flowers. Yes, I think they were so beautiful. I love them. I can't stop looking at my table. These flowers are really pretty. And then I'm gonna go in with some silver ones just to blend in with my silver theme. And all the flowers that you see me using in this vase are from Michael's. They have a 50% off right now, so in case anyone is interested in going to get some flowers, I paid $2.50 for each of these. So yes, I really love it, and I think it's glam. In my opinion, I think it's glam. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. As I said before, I don't have like a massive table, so I wanted to keep my centerpiece as simple as possible and not really like overcrowded, because it's not big enough to hold a lot of stuff. So now I am gonna go in with my silver chargers that I got from the Dollar Tree as well, and I am just gonna go ahead and set my table. So now I am placing my napkins, and I wanted to stick with my silver theme, and I couldn't find any silver napkin rings. So guess what? I created my own. Yes, you remember the ribbon from the Dollar Tree? I used that same ribbon to create my napkin rings. Yes, you have to get creative. Yes, guys. So yeah, let me know if you want to see a separate video of how to do different types of napkin folding, and yeah, just drop it in the comment section and let me know, and I'll do that for you guys. So guys, remember to go by Glamorous and check out her video and give her a happy birthday shout out in the comment section. Let her know that Empress Marcy sent you. Also co-hosting with Ellen, you have Tammy from Me, Myself and DIYing, and you have Candy from DIY Design by CCW. You have Shanji living life to the fullest, and you have Styling with Stacy. You also have Chanel from Inspired by Chanel. You have Tamara from Love My Babies Forever. You also have Erica from Love is the Main Key. And you have Marilyn from Fabulous Design on a Budget. All their links are going to be in my description box down below. Also, a playlist with all the videos, all the participants of this challenge will also be in my description box down below, so you guys can go check it out and see what awesomeness they created with their Dollar Tree Glam tablescape. All right, just continue to watch this to the end and just take in this small elegance that I have created for you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you love it, if you like it, if you think what you think I could have added or take away. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed that video. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't already. And we have some amazing videos coming up for you in Vlogtober. Yes, we're going to be posting every day for the month of October. So stay tuned guys, don't miss anything. Turn on your bell, all right, so that you are the first to be notified whenever we upload a video. All right, thank you so much.